If squats hurt your knees, your lower back, or just feel wrong these days, what I'm about to show you might completely replace them. I'm 59 years old. I don't lift heavy, I don't chase reps, and I stopped doing traditional squats. But my legs, they're stronger, more stable, and pain-free. Let me show you the body weight exercise that replaced squats for me without destroying my joints. By the end of this video, you'll learn the exact isometric exercise I use instead of squats, how it builds leg strength, joint stability, and muscle tension, why it's safer for aging knees and backs, and a simple 7-day plan you can start today, no gym, no weights. If you want strong legs without pain, this is for you. Step 1. Why I stopped doing squats. Let's be honest, squats are great until they're not. At some point, squats stop building strength and start collecting injuries. The knees complain, the lower back tightens, the recovery takes longer than the workout. And the truth is, squats are dynamic load under fatigue. That's risky as you age. I didn't stop squats because I got weak. I stopped because I got smarter. Step 2. The exercise that replaced squats. The replacement is simple. Isometric wall sit. No movement, no bouncing, no grinding reps. Just pure tension. You sit against the wall like an invisible chair. Knees bent, feet planted, back supported. And then you hold. That's it. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Step 3. Why wall sits work better than squats at 50 plus. Here's what wall sits do that squats don't. They load the quads, glutes, and adductors without joint shear. They strengthen tendons and ligaments, not just muscle. They eliminate momentum, meaning real tension. They teach your body control and stability. Your muscles don't know reps, they know tension. And wall sits deliver tension without punishment. Step 4. How to do it correctly. Let's get technical briefly. Your back stays flat against the wall. Your thighs aim for parallel to the ground, but don't force it. Your knees track over your toes. Your feet stay flat. Now the most important part, you breathe. Slow, controlled breathing. If you're holding your breath, you're doing it wrong. Step 5. How long to hold. Forget reps. You work with time now. If you're new, start with 15 to 20 seconds. Rest fully. Repeat 2 to 3 times. If you're experienced, build to 30 to 60 seconds. Still controlled, still pain-free. Longer is not better. Cleaner is better. Step 6. How to progress without weights. Progression doesn't mean adding plates. It means slightly deeper position, more tension through the feet, longer hold within control, single leg wall sits, advanced. This is strength without ego. Deviance. Let's fix the mistakes that ruin results. Mistake 1. Max effort every time. You don't need 100%. 60 to 80% tension builds strength without frying your nervous system. Mistake 2. Holding your breath. This spikes blood pressure and kills endurance. Breathe. Mistake 3. Knee pain equals good burn. Pain is not progress. If it hurts, adjust the depth or stop. Mistake 4. Doing it every day. Isometrics are powerful. You need recovery, not punishment. 7-day action plan. Here's a simple, realistic plan. Day 1. Wall sits 3 sets of 20 seconds. Light walking. Day 2. Wall sits 4 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Optional plank hold. Day 3. Rest or easy mobility. Day 4. Wall sits 3 sets, deeper position. Add calf isometric holds. Day 5. 2 longer holds, 30 to 45 seconds. Day 6. Light full body isometrics, nothing to failure. Day 7. Full rest. Repeat weekly. Consistency beats intensity. Final message. At 59, your goal is not to impress anyone. Your goal is strong legs, stable joints, and pain-free movement. Long-term strength. Wall sits replaced squats for me, not because I quit, but because I evolved. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for joint-friendly strength training, and comment isometric if you want more videos like this. Next video, how I build strong knees without squats or lunges.